Hello and welcome to our Java Collections Framework tutorial series. Today we'll be discussing ArrayList, one of the most commonly used classes in the framework. We'll cover what ArrayList is, how to declare and initialize it, and how to manipulate the elements within it. First, let's define what an ArrayList is. It's a dynamic array that can grow or shrink depending on the number of items added or removed. In Java, ArrayLists are part of the Java util package, so we need to import it at the top of our program like so. To initialize an ArrayList, we declare a variable and use the new keyword to create a new instance. Here's an example. In this example, we're creating a new ArrayList called names that holds string values. Note that we need to define the type of data the ArrayList holds within the angled brackets. In this case, it's string. Now that we've initialized our ArrayList, we can start adding elements to it. We can do this using the add method. Here's an example. In this example, we're adding 3 elements to our names ArrayList: Alice, Bob, and Charlie. You can add as many elements as you'd like, and you can also add elements of different types. To access elements within the ArrayList, we use the get method. Here's an example. In this example, we're using the get method to access the first, second, and third elements within our name's ArrayList. Remember that ArrayLists start counting at 0, so the index of the first element is 0, the second element is 1, and so on. We can also remove elements from our ArrayList using the remove method. Here's an example. In this example, we're removing the second element, Bob. Note that removing elements will shift the remaining elements down to fill in the empty space. And that's it. You now know how to declare, initialize add elements, access elements, and remove elements from an ArrayList in Java. Thanks for watching and happy coding.